How we all doing? Right, just a quick one. This is a set of clips taken off my latest vlog, which I'll try and link to somehow, but it's about a stud removal and I thought it's deserving of its own little short video. Not everyone's going to watch all of a vlog, it goes on a little bit. This is just a short, quick way that I use to save broken studs and get the job done. Thanks for watching, see what you think. First up, I've got this pair of Suzuki from Calipers, and both of them have got this pin stuck. It holds the brake pads in. I need to change the brake pads. I can't get this pin out. Got new pins on the way. So, my plan is, right, this is it. Plan of attack. We're going to come from here, here, and here. No, I'm going to cut this pin somewhere in the middle so I can take the pads out and the cover out, and then I'll have enough to grab hold of to try and get the mod grips on and crack it open. I think once it's started it'll come out. Failing that, I might even use a bit of the hot air gun on there, not heat because of the brake fluid. It fucking gives a lot of fuck brake fluid if you get it red hot, so we don't want to cause a fire, but I might get the hot air gun on it and see if that'll do it. Failing that, we're going to have to drill it. So we're going to have to find the centre. We're going to have to drill it out. And we're going to have to try and preserve the thread. So that's probably a job for the mill or a very brave man on the pillar drill. See how it goes. So that's got off of it out. Whee! Save that for later. We'll get these out. Absolutely fucked. And try and turn this. Yeah. If we can get in with these, then I think these will be about our best shot. And that's looking pretty good. Let's just turn it. They're not holding it tight enough to undo it, so I think we'll get some hot air gun action on it, and we'll really clamp them down as tight as we can. We've got a bit of movement on the shaft end, but not on this end. So it's twisting. The fucking thing's twisting. That's incredible, isn't it? That is one bender for a start off, but fucking stuck. A bit of shaft, look. Time to drill that. So what I'm doing, I'm running a pilot drill through the stuck stud, and it's just smaller than the pin, than the diameter of the pin. And now I'm just drilling the top section out where the thread is with the tapping size drill bit, so hopefully save the thread. I'll show you, look. So it's 1-0 so far. 1-0 to the Calipers. What we have is we've drilled down into the stud. Look, it's the one I took out. if it'll focus. And we've drilled down into the centre of that, and then we've gone down with a 9mm, which is the tapping size for that pitch of thread, size and pitch, and we've just picked up on the edge of the thread, and that'll wind out now, thus saving the threads in the body. I'll get it dropped down and on the bench, and I'll show you in more detail. So this is the actual thread, look, and we can peel that out. Can gently peel that out of the hole all the way down to the end of the fixing, and then that will save, if this will focus, the internal thread like that. Awesome. There we have the 2 calipers with it. That's the one that I managed to unscrew, and that's the remnants of the one I had to machine out. That's just the very bottom part that went through the caliper. You can see where my pilot drill went through the middle of the rod pin here, isn't it? Through the middle of the pin. And then I've drilled it out, took all the thread away, and left me with the very bottom part. So now they're both good. They'll both take new pins, new pads, get them back on the bike, well, trike, and we're good to go. So we've got the new bits, look, they're all nicely plated and a bit of copper slip on there. New little retainer. I've cleaned up these shims, the stainless shims and spacers, and the retaining clip. And we'll get that all built back up and fitted on. Right, we've already got one done. This one's all together with all the new pads in, and brand new disc, ready to rock and roll.